Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, this is your first time watching. Today I wanted to show you guys this flat iron that I received from Live Chic. I'm going to be styling my hair in a short wavy bob. It's really easy to achieve this hairstyle. All you really need is a comb and some clips and a flat iron. Am I the only one that didn't know that you can curl your hair with the flat iron? Let me know down in the comments. I really do think that this flat iron is a really good bang for your buck. It's affordable and you can do so much with it. You can curl and you can flat iron, and I think it's good for short hair and thick long hair as well. I really like how you can change the temperature with a push of a button and you turn the flat iron on with a button. It just gives it a little bit of an upgrade for me. It's not like your standard flat iron, and it's very affordable. A little disclaimer, I probably should have said this in the beginning of the video, but my hair does have a lot of oil because this is a wig and I oiled my scalp underneath the wig, so I didn't really mind the wet stringy look. But yeah, if you notice anything peculiar, then it's not the flat iron, it's my hair. It's kind of oily. So I absolutely love wearing my hair like this. It's really fun and it's really cute, and it's something different that I don't see a lot. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All the links will be left down below if you want to find out where to get the Live Chic flat iron. I want to say a huge thank you for Live Chic for thinking of me, and I will see you guys in my next one.